Hey y'all, thanks for tuning in today. The Space White Akins Ford F-150 Covered Edition sold in just 2 days. So we got another variation behind us. Let's go. Y'all, this Space White new paint code for 2021 has been a major hit. You see that white platinum there behind it, a good contrast between the two colors. The Space White is kind of variation. It very much reminds me of the Avalanche Gray. If you're familiar with that, that's the closest thing I can say to as far as a color comparison, with a lot of metallic flake. The Avalanche Gray was a flat primer. This has a lot of flake in it. It's a beauty. Love this color. Has a gray white appearance to it. And of course, you know, we had to do more covert action. The previous one we had, that was the sport package, but it sold in just 2 days. So phenomenal as always right here at Akins. And we are covert leveled on 35s, y'all. You know we love it. Via keeping that a good looking factory 20-inch wheel, 295, 65, 20. Toyota Open Country MT, a true mud terrain tire. And look at here. Crash bar still there, crash bar intact. Upper control arm, man, if you're trying to fit 35, 12.5, 20s on here, I would almost bet, we haven't tried it yet, but you got to be running spacers, because even with this tire size at 295 width, basically like 11.8 inches wide versus 12.5, we could probably get 2 quarters in between there sideways. So tight fitment, but we have zero issue. This is, in our opinion, the maximum tire size you want to run on this setup. And it's actually, y'all, bigger than a 35. A 35, 12.5, 20 in this tire is not a true 35. It's like a 34.8. So this size here is a true 35.12 inches tall. So you got a true leveled on 35 hashtag moment, y'all. So check out, let me know what you think about the chrome. Do you like the chrome appearance package, or would you prefer the sport? I love the stance on a factory wheel. This works. I don't care if people are not liking chrome as much. This one's still a great package with the chrome. It just still works. Got to do some love to it with some covert action. XLT platform, so you got the XLT grill up front, lower bumper, still got the nice C shape, daytime running light. This being a 302A package. Want to show off that color a little bit more. Factory boards. We did add rear wheel well liners in the rear. That's a must to clean it up, especially on a light colored vehicle. Good look at the tailgate. We got Akins liner in the back, as well as an undercover flex, a nice tailgate assist. Very nice. Ultra flex trifold, Akins liner. Check this out. Really do like this addition. So, you know, the XLTs all come with cloth. So we opted to do the gray with the side black contrasting leather, because it really flows nicely with your center console with a nice black. If it was all gray, in my opinion, wouldn't be quite as nice. You have some nice leather here as well. So doing this particular kit, I like to do on the grays instead of just all gray. Looks more premium and luxurious all at the same time, accenting your gray and black throughout. Love this interior in the 302A XLT. You have a little Falks wood action going on here, as well as other places. So just a nice fitting interior. If you had black, it would have worked too. You've got a gray with black throughout, but let me know what you think about the gray leather, y'all. Does it work? I think it works very nicely on this one. So some great interior additions. We got WeatherTech floor mats, which I'm not going to show you. They're in there, just trust me. But a space white covered edition right here at Akins and Y Willys. You know, it's early April, and we're over 30 now as far as 2021 covert truck. So keeping things rolling. Hope you guys stay tuned to us. As far as level kit, we did the Ready Lift 662120 part number, hockey puck style spacer, build aluminum on top there. Kit specifically made for this 2021 body style. It's been working great for us. Probably my favorite shot is right here. And if you are interested in buying this vehicle, here's the window sticker. Pause here to see all the options this has from the factory. And then here's our Covert edition, $74.87 in totality. Things I did not mention is the paint protection film on the door handles, edge guards, and more. Lumar window tint. So a total of $66,207, showing a $9,000 discount currently. Check us out at akinsford.com. Leveled on 35s. That is so clean and classic and timeless. Essentially, that's what the truck looked like. Different color, obviously, but that's what I love all people, y'all, but kind of a grandpa style there, not gonna lie. Nose end heavy, just doesn't look proportional. Tires too small. Run it back. Leveled on 35s. That's how we do it. Real deal at Akins. Wild Willies. Boom, boom, boom. Peace.